You wouldn't believe the week I've had. Monday, gets a call from a lady in Wapping. Tell a lie, I was eating Ivo, because Wapping was the Tuesday, and I know that because I had a tuna and sweet corn, and I'd never go for that on a Monday on account it's too close to Friday, whereas Tuesday is equidistant between a full fish fry on a Friday. First thing she says when she opens the door is, "There's a blockage." No preamble, no foreplay, no social niceties, straight into the blockage. You've got to laugh. State of it. You, sir, would not want to get your plunger compromised down that U-bend, trust me. Even if it was liberally doused in heavy-duty Swarfiga. You look after this for a little while for us, please, love? Yeah. Don't lick it. You don't know where it's been. And I do. Cool. Good credit it, eh? You want that for later? I know what you're thinking. What muppet decided to install one of these? Because they are a bugger to shift. See, if you'd installed traditional porcelain or vitreous china, say your American standard 0208.216.320 H2 option siphonic dual flush round front, or the pricier, but in my view, more durable, elongated Toto, dual flush power gravity system, eco double flush, eco-friendly, large water surface, and 1.6 GPS, then we'd be laughing. Why? Because we could take a monkey wrench to the fucker and smash it in. But what you got here, look, what you got here is a chrome hexagon, half-inch nipple. What some comedian, don't ask me why, has attached to the isolator valve. And we all know what that leads to. You won't. If I tell you, I've done a woman once down Tunbridge Wells, tell her that, Canterbury East. Her pet poodle got his arse rammed right down her chrome plate. Don't ask me why, how's not to reason. No, I surmise that the poodle was trying to emulate its mistress. Very nervy breed, the poodle. Very volatile. Long story short, took me all morning, armed to the teeth with a set of open-ended ratchet rings that ease it off the double web flange and pull the bastard off. But what happened to the poodle, I hear you ask? And I'll tell you. Traumatised rectum and a permanent kink in its short and curly. Interesting fact about your traditional porcelain though, they are prone to heavy sweating. Toilet bowls don't sweat, I hear you exclaim. And you are not the first nor the last to express incredulity. See, the toilet sweats on account of the temperature around the toilet is warmer than what the toilet at the temperature water is, leading to condensation. And we all know what a heavy sweating toilet can lead to when there's condensation. You're right, mould and mildew. I could tell you stories about some of the things I've seen growing down a U-bend to make your teeth fall out. I've done a woman once down Leytonstone. Tell her lies, Walthamstow. What I found, when I got my rubbers down her bowl and round her bend, I make a camel puke. Long story short, I found a solution in my lunch bucket, Coca-Cola. See, the old citric acid is death to organic stains on vitreous china. Tricks of the trade. Oh, almost forgot what I come out to tell you. Don't go away. Suicide. It seems she caught her old man in flagrante with a cheese parer from the Sainsbury's deli counter. It was the last straw in a litany of infidelities with women in the catering trade. Some sort of fetish, apparently. Family tried to talk her down, but she was a jumper all the way. Well, more of a swan diver, actually. As I explained to the coroner, if you'd had a back flush system installed, it would have torpedoed her head out from down under, as it were. But as it is, tragic. Worst of it was, she done it at 3 a.m. I had no option. I had to charge emergency. It's very sad. I'll leave my business card out the back in case anyone here wants their pipes scraping out. Have a nice one. You were going to keep that, weren't you?